So the first part of the chapter, like I told you, the chapter is distinguishedly divided into three parts. The first part is refraction. What are the key points of refraction? Key points are my refractive index, which is velocity of light in the first medium upon velocity of incident medium upon velocity of light in the refracted medium, or sign of incident velocity of light in the incident medium upon velocity of light in the refracted medium. Snell's law also tells us that sign of angle of incidence upon sign of angle of refraction is also giving me the refractive index. There is another thing to note which is not there in your scope, that real depth upon apparent depth is always equal to refractive index. So it's not there in your scope. Second part is a very small part which has to deal with prism and dispersion of light. So for this you have to know a very important thing. Dispersion I will teach you in the end. Prism I will teach you in the end. And now we are going to be studying the most important part of the chapter. When I draw a ray diagram, any ray diagram, I draw one ray or I draw two rays. So we always assume that light is coming as single ray to our eyes. But when we see an object, the light is being emitted from, let's say this is a clock. So light is emitted only from this part, or light is emitted from all the parts of the light, of the clock. If light was emitted only from this part, we would only see this much part. So light rays and millions of light rays are refracted together, but we only draw one or two. We are not drawing all rays, which is not okay when we are doing a technical analysis. So we only from one point we draw 2 points. What do we do from one point? From one point we draw two lines. Why do we draw two lines, by the way? Because we have to find the intersection of those lines. Didn't I just draw the diagram? When I draw from any point, if I draw two lines, when I produce it backwards, they should intersect. And that intersection point gives me the point where my image will be formed. What will be formed? Image. So, the lifted fish or the lifted coin is the image at the end of the day. Is it the real object? No, it's the image. So, now let's come to another principle, which is reflection of light. In reflection of light, we will be studying some terms. I will tell you what those terms are, but before studying those terms, I want to give you some laws of reflection. Refraction का laws पढ़ा कि नहीं? ऐसे reflection का laws याद रखो. Always reflection, when it happens, the incident ray angle of incidence क्या होता है? The angle made with the incident ray with the normal. So can I say angle of incidence ये है? Angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. The angle of the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. ये तीन law है. And the third law is most easy. The light ray which is incident perpendicular on a reflecting surface.
Won't be deviated.
It will be deviated. It is reflected back in the same direction. ये reflection है. Reflection के लिए कैसा surface चाहिए मुझे? Opaque. Surface should be
opaque. opaque.
Reflecting and opaque. Reflecting and opaque. It cannot pass through the medium. I will tell you how mirroring is done. I will tell you. I am coming to each of the points. Surface should be reflecting and opaque. So how do I make a surface reflecting and opaque? I take a transparent medium. What do I take?
Transparent medium.
Don't forget this. This is not there in your textbook. I take a transparent medium. Then I choose either of the side. दोनों साइड में करोगे तो 100% opaque हो जाएगा. But what will I choose? Either of the side. So I choose this side. And what do I do to this side? You know, I paint it with silver polish. What do I paint it with? Yes. I paint it with silver polish. So what happens is the light ray comes and falls here. This thickness is very thin. So ये part में क्या होगा मैं बता सकता हूँ मुझे ये वाले part.
मैम वो bounce
बाउंस वो तो ठीक है. Can you tell me what is happening between A and B?
मैम वो
Pass
pass
and reflect.
हाँ, रिफ्रैक्ट होगा. नीचे ये क्या है? ये let me say. This is A B C D. Listen carefully. A B C D. A D is the interface which separates a rarer medium to denser medium or not?
Yes.
Can I say AD is the interface which separates rarer medium to denser medium? So here refraction will take place. But the moment it becomes to BC interface, what happens is reflection takes place. Now reflection takes place again at this layer, refraction will take place or not? So are you able to understand what actually happens inside a mirror once again?
मैम तो फिर हम लोग नॉर्मल उस साइड पे ड्रॉ करेंगे ना.
लेकिन हम लोग ये दिखाते ही नहीं है because we assume the mirrors to be so thin that refraction is negligible. But once again, who wants to see this? Siddharth,
पर अगर वो सिल्वर पॉलिश करते तो बाहर की साइड पे सिल्वर से
बाहर की साइड क्योंकि सिल्वर तो अंदर की तरफ रहता है, सिल्वर शाइन बाहर की तरफ ब्लैक दिखता है. बाहर की तरफ ब्लैक बेटा is let me see if I have a minute. हाँ. Yes, I will do it one more time. I will see if I have a minute. एक second. Look at this. What actually happens? But refraction we are going to ignore. Why are we going to ignore? Because we consider everything to be of very small thickness or negligible refraction takes place. Okay? Once again I will show what actually happens. ये कभी मत भूलना.
नंबर होता तो है ना.
थोड़ा सा तो होता है, लेकिन उसको हम इग्नोर करते हैं. ठीक है? A, B, C, D. This is what? This is the mirrored surface or the silver surface. ठीक है? इसको हम बोलते हैं silver surface. What happens is light rays entering from rarer to denser, so it will bend towards the normal. Now here in interface DC, what is going to happen? Silvered है. Silvered है मतलब क्या होगा? Reflection या refraction?
Reflection.
Reflection. So यहाँ पे भी this two angles will be equal or not?
Yes.
I and this will be equal to R. Now here again at this layer what is happening? Refraction. It will bend away from the normal because it is going from denser medium to rarer medium. When you produce this line straight, if you produce this line straight, अच्छा ये सब इतना deeply ना इसको दिखने का जरूरत नहीं. छोड़ो.
मैम
हाँ.
हम लोगों ने नीचे जो नॉर्मल ड्रॉ किया वही ऊपर भी ड्रॉ करना है, वही कंटिन्यू.
Normal नहीं सब normal है.
नहीं बट जो बीच में
यहाँ पे जो ड्रॉ किया हाँ.
हाँ वही ऊपर प्रोड्यूस किया तो फिर पर रिफ्लेक्ट.
नहीं लेकिन नॉर्मल से कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. नॉर्मल इज ओनली डन एट अ पॉइंट वेयर द लाइट इज इंसिडेंट. It has the light has to be incident for it. Yes. The moment the ray touches, only after that you can draw normal because normal is imaginary. तो तुम किधर ड्रॉ करोगे? जिधर लाइट गिरा उसी पॉइंट पे ड्रॉ करोगे. Is this clear now? But we take the thickness to be negligible. Therefore, we assume ये वाला ले लो. हो गया है. दूसरा वाला देखो. अच्छा ठीक है थोड़ा. ये वाला सिल्वर नहीं है. ये कलर सिल्वर लगता है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
Because inside is silver. Inside there is silver. ये तो पेंट है. ये तो पीछे के साइड में कुछ भी पिंक भी कर सकती है. Inspired by Barbie. But inside should always be silver. Did you see this? Broken glass. I'll break the other. Yes.
इसको अंदर खोल के देखो इसमें सिल्वर है.
नहीं खोल के देखने जाएगा तो पेंट तो इतना पतला सा है. उसको खोलेगा कैसे तू? उसको खोलने जाएगा तो उसको स्क्रैप करना. स्क्रैप करेगा ना. Once you scrape it ना, you will see that this is silver. That is right.
स्क्रैप कैसे करना है?
Yes. Did you understand this concept? Now let's come to the terms related. So laws एक बार लिख लें हम लोग. Laws क्या है? Firstly, surface should be reflecting and opaque.
Opaque.
Second is angle of incidence is equal to
Angle of reflection. Reflection बोल के.
हाँ बार-बार reflection बार-बार मुंह में आने वाला. So you have to be very careful what you write. ये कॉपी करना है आप लोगों को. Third law is incident ray, normal and reflected ray all lie on the same plane. Let me finish. Then I'll ask you. Fourth and most important point is the ray of light incident normally on surface what happens to the ray of light which is incident normally on the reflecting surface?
It will reflect back.
It will reflect back normally, or it will reflect back on the same line. Did you understand the laws? You have to remember the laws. I don't know if it's there in your textbook, but you have to know this to understand spherical mirrors.
मैम
Yes.
और वो मिरर का भी ड्रॉ करना है।
ड्रॉ करके रखो, याद रहेगा। 9th में जाके आपको लगने वाला है ये।